4390 kVA 3-phase pad-mounted transformer was delivered to Jamaica in 2025. The rated power of the transformer is 4390 kVA with ONAN cooling. The high voltage is 23.9 G a dy, 13.8 kV. The low voltage is 0.63 kV. They form the vector group of IND1, engineered for superior performance. In modern electrical networks, our pad-mounted transformer delivers exceptional reliability and efficiency. This robust unit features a 3-phase, 3-link core optimized for 50 Hz operation, achieving an impressive 99.2% efficiency with a 7.5% impedance for stable grid performance. Filled with ECL-friendly FR3 dielectric fluid, it enhances fire safety and operational longevity. Critical to its design are the integrated grounding shield and isolation screen grounding sleeve, which ensure maximum safety by effectively containing electromagnetic interference and protecting personnel. Housed in our resilient 304 stainless steel enclosure, finished in a corrosion-resistant C5M grade white powder coat or AL9003. It is built to endure the most demanding environmental conditions with a robust operational capacity of 4330 kVA at 45C and 4075 kVA at 50C. This transformer stands as a secure, durable, and intelligent cornerstone for your power distribution infrastructure.